In this video, I'll show you how to make clickable subscribe button on your YouTube videos for your YouTube channel, which will allow people to easily subscribe to your YouTube channel. Having a clickable subscribe button on your videos lets viewer easily click and subscribe to your channel. It is a simple way to start gaining or turning your viewers to as subscribers. And many YouTubers overlook these features or aren't aware of this one. This is one of the best methods for gaining more YouTube subscribers. So I'll show you how you can do this on your own videos. Hey guys, this is Krishna Shrestha with PerspecTube and let's get it started. To start, open up the YouTube Studio, which you can do by clicking on your icon or clicking on the YouTube Studio over here. Once it is loaded, you will see a customization on the left hand side of the page. Now navigate to the branding. Here you will find the option for the video watermark. It's the third one down. To set it up, you will need to upload an image that's recommended to be 150 by 150 pixel. However, I have found that larger image also works and YouTube will automatically adjust the size. But it's best if they are square size pictures. You can use PNG, JPG or any similar format as long as the file size is 1 megabyte or less. Now let's head over to the canva.com. One other great thing about Canva is it saves your previous work. So what we are going to do is make a copy of our YouTube logo. Then we'll edit this. The very first thing, I would like to add the font effect. You can do so by clicking on the effect and I'm going to choose this one. Now we have an object or play button on the background of the text, which can be 2 months, or while removing the background, it might not detect it. So we are going to hide this one. You can delete it or you can hide this by clicking on the transparency open here and make it as a 0. That's it. Our custom button is ready. You can upload directly, but for this video, I'm going to remove the background as well. Now let's save it first. Click on the share button on the right hand side and click on download. It will ask you where to save it. Save it to the preferred location. I'd like to change the name to this so it will be easier for me when uploading. To remove the background of the image, if you have a paid version of the Canva, you can do directly on the Canva itself, or otherwise there is a free website called remove.bg. I'm going to utilize this one to remove the background of the image. Once you are on the remove.bg website, hit on upload button and select the image that you want to remove the background. And in no time, it will remove the background of your image. Then download the image and save it to the preferred location. You might not see the logo because our font is also white. However, it will be visible in our video, especially since my videos are shot with a dark background. Now let's upload to our YouTube channel. Head over to the YouTube Studio, click on the upload over here, choose the image that we remove the background. If you want to check the detail of the image, you can do so by right-clicking on the image, going to the properties and clicking on the details. Once you are satisfied with the size and details, hit on select. YouTube will then show you the preview of your logo, where we can adjust our logo once again. Let's zoom in our logo like this. And once you are satisfied, click on done. Another very important step is choosing when to display this watermark. By default, it is set to show by the end of the video. However, we can choose to show it after some second of the video start or throughout the entire video. We would like to show it throughout the entire video, so we'll go with this option, which will help viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel immediately. Now hit the publish button. Upon completion, you will see a small notification saying changes published. Go to our channel and click on any video and make sure that everything is up to date. Once you checked and confirm that it is there, look at right there. Now viewer can hit the subscribe button. I'm genuinely impressed by this feature and it's fantastic to have it here. And this is something that many beginners aren't aware of. So definitely include it in your YouTube videos. And remember, it will appear in all your YouTube videos. No need to repeat this process for each upload. Utilizing a YouTube banner is another effective way of attracting subscribers, as you can provide more information about your posting schedules or contents. I actually created a simple and quick tutorial using free software on making YouTube banner. You can click on the screen to check it out. Catch you on the next one. Until then, stay creative.